Good morning everyone. Today again the revision class, and that is the question answer. So today I will explain you the question 3, 4, 5 of chapter 1 my body. So you will listen carefully and you will write in your notebook. Okay. So I am going to start now. Listen me and see also. See this is the chapter my body, and I have explained you the digestive system. In the digestive system I have started with the mouth. As you know that digestion in mouth, teeth are present which help us to make the food atom in small pieces, and saliva get mixed up with the food atoms, and that make the food, saliva makes the food soft, and then it goes into the food pipe, and through the food pipe it goes into the stomach. In the stomach food is partially digested, and then it goes into the a small intestine. In a small intestine 100% digestion takes place, and the absorption of the digested food takes place through the walls of the small intestine. Okay, now the food goes into the large intestine. In large intestine no digestion takes place, only the absorption of the extra water takes place to the walls of the large intestine, and then the undigested food get collected into the rectum. Okay, and time to time it comes out through our body through anus. So this is all about your digestion. This is in brief. Okay, when you will go to the previous classes, then you will see in detail. Now see, after digestion, again you have I think you all have completed the keywords. Question A, question B. Question A is the fill in the blanks, B is the match the following, C is the tick the correct option, and question D, the answer the question in brief, and the last portion, that is the question E. And yesterday I have explained you question 1 and 3 of E. Sorry, not day after yesterday, day before yesterday, I have explained question number 1 and 2, and yesterday was the class test, and I hope you all have done well. So now proceed for the more questions of E. So now come to the 3, 4, 5. Question 3, 4 and 5. See this question 3, the question 3. Question 3 is the why is it important to chew the food properly? Okay, this is very important to chew the properly. Already I have explained you this. So you will write, it is very important to chew the food properly for the proper digestion of the food. Okay, for the proper digestion of the food. This is the answer of the question, why is it important to chew the food properly. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Your question number 4 is, why is washing of fruits and vegetables important for us? Why it is important? As you know that when you will eat unwashed fruit and vegetables, you may suffer from loose motion or diarrhea. Okay, so why it is important? You will write, washing of fruits and vegetables is important for us because unwashed fruits and vegetable can carry eggs of the worm. Okay, so remove that worm, eggs of the worm. You will wash the fruits and vegetable, then you will eat them. Okay, so you should first wash the vegetable or fruits properly, then we should eat them. Okay, now question number 5 is, see, Sina's mother often tells her not to eat too many sweets and chocolates. Okay, what does her mother tell? Her mother tells her not to eat too many sweets and chocolates. Okay, And the question is, why do you think she says shows? Why do you think she says show? Why? Because when you will eat lots of sweets and chocolates, you may suffer from tooth problem. Okay, that means that may cause what? Tooth decay. Okay, so you will write, Sina's mother often tells Sina not to eat too many sweets and chocolates because eating too much sweets and chocolates can cause tooth decay. What? Tooth decay. Now any problem? I hope no problem is there in these three questions. So your today's work is only you do these three questions. Okay, and tomorrow I will give you a flow chart diagram and that you will complete. This is tomorrow. Today's work is to do question number 3, 4 and 5, and tomorrow you will do question number 6. Then the question answer of this chapter complete. Okay. Now we will complete from question A to question E in your copy. Okay. Any problem? I hope no problem is there. So that's all for today. You will go through the video nicely and then you will try to write the answer. Okay, I am sending you the question which you will see and do in your notebook. Okay, that's all. Thank you.